Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to replace the freshwater salt cartridge in your hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the parts you will need. Parts you will need: 80004 freshwater salt system cartridge. Step 1. The display will read, "Cartridge reached 4 months. Replace cartridge." Step 2. Press the cartridge icon on the display. Step 3. Press OK to replace cartridge now. Step 4. The display will now read, "Shutting off pumps and replace cartridge now." Step 5. Remove the salt cartridge cap. Step 6. Pull up the old salt cartridge to remove it from the housing. Step 7. Install the new cartridge by pressing it down firmly into the housing. Step 8. Reinstall the salt cartridge cap. Step 9. Press OK on the display to restart the system. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.